Hey, this is Joe from SoFly, and in this video, we are going to migrate WooCommerce orders from one WordPress site to another using WPL export and WPL import. So you can see here on my site, I have a bunch of orders, and I'm moving them over to this site. I don't have the orders here yet, but I do have all of my users, and I do have all of my WooCommerce products over here already. If you check the description of the video down below, we have links to videos on how to run these migrations also. And you'll need to do those first before following along here. So the first step to migrate our orders after we've moved the users and the products is we're going to create a new export for the orders. So then down here, we're going to select WooCommerce orders. And we have two options. We can customize the export file if we want to control what exactly gets exported, or in this case, we're just going to migrate all of the orders altogether. We also have some filtering options here. So if we want to decide which orders get exported, we can filter them based on date or products people ordered or something like that. But in this case, we're just going to migrate everything. So we'll click Migrate Orders, and that's going to use all the default settings in WPL export. And we're just going to leave these alone here. We don't need to change anything there. And we will confirm and run the export. Now, this is going to take a few minutes to complete. So we'll let that run and we'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so the export has completed. It took about 7 minutes to export all of my orders. And we have two options here. So we can download our CSV with all of our orders in it. Or what we're going to do is we're going to download the bundle, which has the CSV of orders in it, but it also has a settings file that WPL import uses to set up our import. So we'll download that. And then we're going to go over here to our import site to run the import for our WooCommerce orders. And to do that, we're going to go down here to all import and select new import and then upload a file. And we're going to select the order export bundle that we just downloaded. And you can see here, it's already selected new items and WooCommerce orders. And then we have two options. We can continue to step 2 if we want to customize our import settings. But in this case, we're actually going to skip to step 4 and just use all of the default settings from WPL import that were actually set up during our export by WPL export. And we're going to leave all of these with the default settings. We're going to leave block email notifications enabled. So then that way, all these folks aren't going to be emailed as these orders are added into the system. And we'll continue. And then we will confirm and run the import. All right, so this is going to take a few minutes. We will let it run and we'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so our order import is complete, and you can see here, we've imported 5,754 new orders, and it says here it's updated 4,385. The reason that it's updating these is as it's importing them, it imports each order item in the order separately. So it'll import the order, and then if the customer's ordered 2 different things, it's going to go back and update that order and add it, and then it keeps track of it here. So that might clear up some confusion when you're running this on your own. So let's take a look at the orders that we've imported here. All right, and you can see here's all of the orders that we've imported. And the latest one here is from Kimberly. Let's check that out. And here's everything she ordered. And everything looks good. And here's Kimberly's order on the export site. And you can see here that all of her data came in. She has her billing address, her shipping address, the transaction ID is all good. And her products came in okay, and the order notes match. That's all it takes to migrate your WooCommerce orders from one WordPress site to another using WPL export and WPL import. Again, if you check the video description down below, we have links to videos on migrating your customers and your WooCommerce products as well. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.